No.
Somebody doesn't want to wait for Mommy.
I'm open.
Excited to see.
Mommy, I'm open.
Okay, good job. Now let's see. Do we see if we have potatoes? Good. I'm gonna look for a potato.
Gosh. Gosh. Potato. Dig. Dig, 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 dig.
Wait. You gotta be careful.
Dig.
Oh.
Dig. Woof, woof. I'm dog. Woof, woof. No, I just have it. Wow! Yeah. Oh, made it! Let's see. Eva? Potato. Hey, baby. Oh, where's potato go? Well, potato.
Down here, I see they're down here. They're in the middle. They're in the middle. Hold on. They're in the middle. Here we got the potato. Do you see the potato?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let's get to the potato.
Dig, 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 dig.
Dig, 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 dig. They're in the complete middle of the bag. Okay, wait. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Look, Hope. Look. Hope. They're so cute.
So cute.
Well done. Let's see how many.
Potato. Potato.
Okay, oh, careful. Let's see. Let's
Potato.
wait to see how many.
See how many? Potato. Potato.
They're perfect. They're just the cutest little potatoes.
Yeah.
Potato, go get it, potato. Go grab it, you got it, see it?
Yes.
They're like completely in the middle of the bag. They're so cute.
I found it, potato.
Look how cute, go show.
Potato.
Oh, they're the cutest potatoes. Let's see. So far, how many? 3? Oh.
I see potato. What's a potato? Potato! Whoa! Good. Fun. See that? Potato? Potato?
We gotta see. Hold on. Wait a minute. So far,
So far.
4.
And potato. See that? Potato.
There's 4. There's 5.
5. Mommy, 5.
This one is.
5.
This
Potato.
one, no.
Is that? No potato.
See if there's any more. Hold on. This one is
No potato. Potato. You said no. Potato. 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 No. Potato. Potato. Yeah. No. No potato. No potato.
it's only 1.
Oh,
Oh man.
yes,
Another one we're gonna leave
potato.
a lot longer till another one. I think that if we would have left it, we probably would have got bigger, much bigger, and maybe a little more. Those would have been a lot bigger.
Another sun patch.
So
We sun patch. Oh, no
we should have
potato.
left it a little bit longer. harvested way too early. We would have had a bigger size. That was a little tiny guy. So, I think...
Yes, potato.
Very, very tiny guy.
Yes.
Yes, a very tiny guy.
Yes. Yes, potato.
Yes, a tiny potato. Let me go put this soil in a box. We're going to use it. Oh man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
I think we harvested way too early.
Gone. Gone was it?
I think we harvested way too early. Maybe if I'd have left it another 3 weeks. But the plant was already showing me that it was time. It flowered. The leaves already died back. Like, for example. And the potato that was growing from is already rotting because I noticed so many gnats and aphids and so many fungus gnats coming from the bag. So I was like, I better get in there and take out before I lose it to pests. I was scared of that, but see, that potato that was growing from, it's already completely molded out, you can see. So and you know, it was already, the leaves were turning brown. So the other bag of potatoes, I'm not touching it for another month. So we still have another bag of potatoes. I am not going to harvest that until August. We'll see. We'll wait all the way through June and see how it goes. And then we'll probably harvest it in July. But we'll see, because if we would have gotten more, if we would have left them, those 5 potatoes would have been a little bit bigger. But you don't put them back, Hope. You got to get them out of there. We're gonna eat them.
Eat it?
Yep. Got 5 potatoes.
5 potatoes.
It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. But I do love the grow bags. I think that I know that it is a 7-gallon grow bag. I think if I would have done the 10-gallon grow bag, maybe we would have potatoes. So we're gonna go back, get some potatoes, and do it in the 10-gallon, and that way I can compare and see what potatoes do grow better in 10 gallons, because I know a lot of people say they grow better in 10 gallons. So we're gonna do that. Stay tuned for that.